so far.
It's really awesome. I enjoyed every bit of it. Really awesome, yeah.
Wow, I have to say, it's been very exciting to be here at BiZmarrow.
It has been wonderful, awesome. On point, very awesome. It's something everybody needs to experience.
It's been amazing so far. So one-on-one training has been great.
It is the best way to teach so far.
It's different to the usual setting that you have out there. But in this case, it's one-on-one.
Everything about the training was practical. I say everything, because you do a one-on-one training, you do it personally, and that's even the most beauty about the whole thing. It's not the theoretical part, because it's all one-on-one training.
100%, yeah, I'm satisfied.
I am getting satisfied.
100% satisfied. It's so awesome. It was a very good experience. I've been working for BiZmarrow.
Yes.
I will keep referring people, because look, some other people out there needs the help of BiZmarrow.